back to my channel. It's ChristyRocksXO. In today's video, we are going to be making our own Christmas napkin rings. All from the Dollar Tree, might I add. So, what you're going to need is going to be super easy, not much to it. You will need these 6 napkin rings from the Dollar Tree. You don't need 6 unless you have 6 chairs. I'm only making this for my small little table in my family room, and it only holds 4 people, so I'll only need 4. So I'll be using 4, and then I'm going to be using this snowman here. So cute. And I'm going to be using these 2 ornaments from Dollar Tree. So you can find these in the wedding section or wherever they have all the plates and napkins. So I will be taking 4 of those, and it's going to be super easy. So what you're going to want to do is go ahead and cut all these tags off, and don't mind the background. It is DIY central in here. I am DIYing so much stuff right now, so I will go ahead and link those if they're already up, which they might be. So yeah. Alright, so all you're going to do is you're going to take your napkin ring. I don't know if you can see this little line right here. That's the line that I'm going to use to indicate where I'm going to be gluing my snowman. So all you're literally going to do is take your ornament of choice. I go with a whimsical theme, so that's the type of ornaments I went for, but you can do this with any ornaments that they have at Dollar Tree, and they have so many nice ones to choose from. So this is just a little reference for you, so you know you can do this exact one or you can do your own, which that's the whole point of a DIY. So what I'm going to go ahead and do is I'm going to put a little bit of glue along here, just like that. Then I'm going to take my snowman and I'm going to simply glue it down. So this is extremely easy, and it is so cute, and you can customize it. So that is the awesome part about this. So just like that, you have your first napkin ring. As you can see here, you just hold it down just a little till it dries. Then I'm just gonna go ahead and put this to the side so it could dry. And so now I'm gonna go ahead and do this one here. I love this one. It is so cute. I love the snowman as well. So all I'm gonna do once again is I'm going to find this little line here, and I'm going to load it up with glue. And I'm going to just try and find the middle. So just like that. And there you have your second napkin ring. Isn't that adorable? So this DIY is very inexpensive. As you can see, here it is. It's attached. It depends on how many chairs you have or how many napkin rings you want to make. But these are all $1, and then you get 6 in a pack for $1. So you get 6 of these rings in a pack for $1. So that's awesome. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to do the same thing to all of these. I'm loading it up with glue. And can we just take a moment? I finally got a new glue gun, and I'm so excited about that. I have been using a very small one from Dollar Tree. It did the job, so I'm not complaining, but it was a pain to always have to change out the glue sticks. Alright, so now here's my snowman. Once again, I'm gonna find that line. You don't have to find the line, it's just me that does that. But so I'm gonna load it up with glue, and I'm going to find the middle. And it doesn't have to be perfect. So just like that, just hold it down so that way you ensure that it sticks. Alright, and just like that, you have your napkin rings. I'm just letting this one dry over here. And super easy DIY, super inexpensive. I just absolutely love this idea. Look at that, they stand up and everything. And I just love that they are oversized. I really like that, you know, go big or go home. So I did go ahead and just pick up these paper napkins from Dollar Tree. I thought they would be perfect for this. Why not, you know, so people can actually use the napkins. I don't have to wash, and it's perfect. So I'm gonna go ahead and open these up and put them inside. Okay, so as you can see here, I have my napkin inside of my ring, and it actually looks like a little bow. So I put the red napkins here with the snowman, and then I put the green napkin, which looks like a bow as well, here with the ho 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 sign, and I think it is so cute. I just love this idea. And if you wanted to, you could send your guest home with this napkin ring. Isn't that so cute? They could take it home with them, and you can customize it to their personality, and I think that would be an awesome gift for them to take home. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm going to keep putting the napkins in, and I'm not putting them in any specific way. I'm literally just taking them and pushing them through, and then I'm just simply opening them up. Keep it super easy, but yet super cute, right? And if you wanted to, you could always use cloth napkins. I do have cloth napkins, but I'm going to just use paper napkins for this specific tablescape. So I will be doing a whole Dollar Tree tablescape, and I hope that you watch it. I will go ahead and link it if it's up. If it's not up, go ahead and look out for that video. I'm going to be doing a tablescape all from Dollar Tree. That's the reason why I wanted to go ahead and use paper napkins, because I wasn't able to find any cloth napkins. But here are my napkin rings, and I just love the way they look. I just think they are adorable and extremely easy. It doesn't get any easier than this. So if you enjoyed this video, I ask that you please give me a thumbs up. And until next time, XO till I overdose. Bye!